guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. So I just want to say good morning guys. It's early morning, Sunday morning guys. And I'm going to be doing a video of me walking into the town. So stay tuned guys. We're gonna do some walking so we can lose some weight. Yeah, so stay tuned. Let's go. So you guys, we're leaving home now. Let me do this too short. Ooh, we're going on the river. If you mind how you walk, broke your rotted. The shoes feel so big. Long time I don't wear the shoes anymore. Good well now. Yeah guys, so we're doing yes, a long time I know what going on the town, so I'm doing it today. Tell me if you like my outfit this morning. Yeah, we're walking in the town guys. So I live near the town because people always say I live in a jungle. I don't know why I don't think I live in a jungle. I saw Jamaica full of bush, natural vegetation. Now I go say bush. So guys, so we're walking. Oh, my shoes doesn't seem. Remember my shoes, my clothes. For sometimes catch. I think it's to 7 now. I didn't check the time. Oh, you forgot me. You forgot my mic. Guys, me I turn back. I forgot my mic. Guys, me didn't have turn back for the mic, but the mic they want to charge. They know me charge one and left and it's still not work. So me have to go well left. So we start back with journey now. We all tired already. Come with the shoes and tell me where you feel heavy. And so it's a let me walk and I really want the mic, you know. I really want to make sure so I don't hear me good. You see how much pound I can lose if I walk like 2 miles. A 2 mile from here to up in our town. 2 miles or less, I don't know. But a 2 miles I always hear them say when I go to school. The back all wet already. The back wet. Many people use selfie stick. So here goat shit. The man will walk. Eh? No, where's the way I go?
Get the bokeh.
Oh,
Take down the bokeh.
Oh.
You know what I'm doing?
Morning, Marcia. Hey guys, so you know I exercise my handling to walk with this. My handling I exercise more than me. So yeah guys, we're walking. The journey is steep, but we are continuing now. Walk side of the dog. But I want to love rush people. Come on, look. buy back the apple. I buy back the apple. Some storage, something. Then say I miss my phone still short of storage. Cause yesterday it has said me to delete some things from my WhatsApp. Yeah. Some more on the screen for sure. With the sky. So my breast looks so big. Guys, me tired already. I can't go walk to ride it. Seriously. Tired already. I shoes in and I wear one different. It's heavy on my foot. Feel like me I sit in there. If me walk the 2 mile, you're not gonna know. If me not walk the 2 mile, you guys are gonna know the same way. Cause to how I feel right now, if me see a taxi, I might just take the taxi. Like seriously. The way I feel. Oh, I forgot me other something. I'm gonna go take a picture. Now one next something I use. When I connect it to Bluetooth, you can take picture with it. So nice to use. Big breasts, big. I went since we get them big titty. I like walk early in the morning when you have vlog, because less people up on the road. Because most times when you have vlog, people say, you know what, come in here, Canada. And you're in a public space. When you're in a public space, anything goes, and I like me come in your yard every day. But me tell you guys, the way I feel now, I don't think me go walk 2 miles. Because I'm tired already. I'm back. Somebody kill the chicken. Oh wow. One taxi. Crush him out. Squeeze him out to nothing. I'm tired. I said, I'm not going to lose the weight, you know. I'm not have the discipline. Once I'm tired, I'm done. Once little red box. But the dog get back over. I can't have me. One thing with me, guys, I'm not afraid of dog. I'm not afraid of dog. So any dog bite me, I have a little red box. I put my Jesus in. I did. Yeah, make sure I not stop the video. Because when I say I'm not trouble, I'm there on public space. So if he bite me, okay. I'm not running. I'm not running. Oh my God. we're walking, guys. This whole week, I'm going to be posting videos every day. Find something to post. Morning. Yeah. I feel like me lose the 10 pound already. Look at my face. I feel like me lose the 10 pound already. How much can I hold this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the girl walk with the sitting eye up. I make her, but I'm sure how she do it. You know, we soon figure it out. Morning. We soon figure it out. The girl that show her body. She walk with the selfie stick and show the whole her. Yeah, guy. Oh, over so. Then you put it high. This can go higher still. This can go really, really high. Yeah. Alright, guys. So we're here. We don't reach halfway to which part we are going yet, but we're still walking. You know, regardless of the stairs. Why when people have vlogs, people have the stairs? So, no, so modern time. Anyway, yeah. I go start over our next video because I want to kind of reach a good amount. So yeah. Yeah, guys. So I'm showing you some of the streets. No, so I want to see the boat. Yeah, see. I'm so showing the issues, guys. Just skis a long time in the area, you know. So give me a long time. Guys, when I reach the square part, guys, I'm gonna start back the video, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm on the bridge. Across the bridge. So, you know me tell it, so if you feel hungry. Today is Sunday, guys, so don't know. I'm really tired. But nobody let me go over that side again. What's my video? You don't know what me doing. I think me I do no more video like this again. Morning. Because I'm big tired, guys. Big tired. I'm doing that for people who are physically fit. We love walk. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like and leave a comment. Please subscribe. Let's get us to 20,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'll talk to you. No, we're not taking a taxi, guys. No taxi. We are walking the journey. Walk the journey. And do a vlog. Want to see me around. Guys, we're right in front of Kingdom Hall. I can see me around. See you there. Yeah, give me trouble. That give me so much trouble. So give me a warm time. It's giving me a warm time, guys. Now I feel hungry. I should I eat something before walking. But true, I say I start early. I want to start earlier than this. But I say make me wait till when more people up on the road. You know? So yeah. Tell me if you like my outfit. Yeah. Nah, put no link in. No link, me not have no link feed. Come in you. But I have to go back. I'll check. Okay, road pretty. The view is beautiful. Hey guys, so when we're reaching the square, I will start video again because I just rest my hand nickel because I feel hold the tripod. It's real hard, so grip me. Yeah. Yesterday we get rain today. We get sun. The place is beautiful. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'm reaching out to I never walk the 2 mile, I take taxi. But up in Town, nobody not really out here. I'm mostly mad people. Some of them mad people, they need to find somewhere to put them because they might get out of. So I know supermarket not want me yet either. And my mother did beg me buy her something. You know, seem that I go possible because I now go walk up and down with my phone in my hand with so much madman. And one of them just called me together a while ago. I call to me and I don't answer. I tell him to follow me. We work at the NCB. They draw money. I hope you don't fear going back. So, see you soon, guys. See you tomorrow for another video. So, yeah. See you tomorrow, guys, for another video.